The sun was just peeking over the horizon as Sarah tied her shoelaces, ready for her morning run. However, today's run wasn't her usual routine. She was participating in a charity marathon for the local food bank. Banners and balloons lined the streets as participants gathered at the starting line, filling the air with excitement and anticipation. As the marathon commenced, Sarah's thoughts drifted to the numerous times she had volunteered at the food bank, serving meals and organizing canned goods. Each act of kindness had filled her heart with an overwhelming sense of fulfillment. Halfway through the marathon, she spotted Mr. Thompson, her elderly neighbor, struggling to fix his fence. Without hesitation, she veered off course, offering her help despite the race. His grateful smile and warm handshake were worth more than any medal she could receive. Further along the route, Sarah noticed a group of children selling homemade lemonade to raise money for their classmates' medical expenses. Their innocent smiles and heartfelt gestures warmed her soul, igniting a renewed sense of community spirit. Near the final stretch, she witnessed Dave, a local businessman, handing out care packages to the homeless. His genuine acts of compassion brought tears to her eyes as she realized the profound impact one person could make. As Sarah crossed the finish line, breathless yet exhilarated, the atmosphere was electric with joy. The marathon had raised thousands for the food bank, but more importantly, it had brought together a community in acts of selflessness and generosity. The smiles, laughter, and hugs exchanged were testament to the universal truth that giving and sharing create an unbreakable bond. Reflecting on the day's events, Sarah couldn't help but be inspired. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, had a ripple effect, spreading joy and connecting hearts. She knew that true fulfillment came from helping others, and she vowed to continue her journey of giving, knowing that the joy she brought to others would always come back to her in abundance.